So now the new Coolaroo Shades that we ordered, they made some improvements, big improvements. So first of all, they have this little crank rod here, and you can see there's no more cords involved here in lowering and raising the shades. So now we don't have to worry about a cord dry rotting, and also for the cords, those are actually, you know, people with little kids, potentially choking hazards for little kids, right? This is actually a 6x8. We had 6x6s like I was telling you, but also look at this. The end of this is made, it had this little ring on here, and it comes with this, and you just pop this on the ring, and look what we got down here. So this little thing here, you pull it tight and you slide the ball in here and the ball gets snug. So I'm gonna do that for us. So now we're able to bring the blinds all the way down nice and snug and secure them on the bottom. So very much what we needed here. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this down. Okay, so I got the blind all the way down now, 8 feet down, which is going to be a big help. So there's very little room here for rain to blow underneath here. You pull this down and you have this secured on the beam now, and this little ball catches like that. Now it's nice and snug. We don't have to worry about it flapping around in the breeze on us, and if we get any light rains, you know, it'll keep us dry. And this fabric, again, the fabric holds up, you know, wonderfully. The fabric that I had on the old ones, you know, it was 7 years old. There was no mildew or anything like that. It's not a complete, you know, it doesn't darken things out completely. Supposedly it cuts down like 95% of the rays, so you can actually still see out. So it lets a little bit of sunlight in, but it's, you know, yesterday afternoon it got pretty warm, much later in the day, and it was noticeably cooler on this side right here where we had the chairs, and we were sitting here watching TV a little while before we cooked some stuff on the grill. So nice and cool right here, and cutting down on those glare and those rays coming from the sun. Anyway, these are Coolaroo Shades.